Hola, hola, hola guys, it's me, and I'm hoping that you can hear me because my camera's kind of far because my bed is in the way, so I couldn't really get the camera that close to me, although I could have put it over here, but whatever. Anyway, I'm coming to you with a new product review that happens to be in my room. I'm just gonna read the link here really quick, and this product was sent to me by a company called Bagelx. I'm guessing that's how it's spelled. Bagel with an X on the end. Bagelx, literally. So what I'm going to be showing to you is their LED lights for vanities, for mirrors, for wherever you want to put it. I actually have a pair of vanity lights, and I did a review on it ages ago that I had put on my vanity mirror in my makeup room. So I decided to put this one that was sent to me by this company on my mirror on my dresser in my bedroom. So pretty much it's just standard, very simple to put together. Now the price, first of all, is as of now, because we know that Amazon fluctuates in price and things like that, and one day it's one price and the next day it's not the same. As of now, this product is $18.87. So it's very cheap and practical if you do not have proper lighting. If you're looking for a better lighting, you want to enhance your mirror or enhance your bathroom mirror, or whatever lighting that you might want. I think that this is actually pretty perfect. As you can see from what I'm showing you, you're going to have the adhesive on here showing you how to put it on, and it's pretty much, it has adhesive on the back. You're just peeling off the adhesive and sticking it on there. The staying power is actually pretty great. Can't complain about it. I mean, once you stick it on there, it's not it's not budging, it's not moving, it's staying put. So I have experienced no problems with it falling off or unsticking, like many other products may do. Another feature that I did enjoy on this is that it has a dimmer. Unlike my other one that is in my bedroom, just a slight difference in the plug. See, the one in my bedroom includes a remote, which I think is pretty cool, but in the future if something happens to the remote, I have no way of turning on the light. So I think that this is pretty cool and a little smarter, because even though I don't have the comfort of having a remote, I know that if something happens or whatever, I can manually turn it on. So I'm just going to turn it on for you so that you can see the brightness of it all. Sorry, I had it on the dimmer. So here is the light, and that, so as you can see, very bright LED lights. Love them. They last a long time, which is really great. Again, if your space is limited, if you're looking for, something to spruce up your mirror, in your bathroom you need some lighting, in your bedroom like I did you need some lighting, I think that this is a really great item, and I think that it really enhances the mirror. I think it looks really pretty, my mirror. I enjoy it very much, and I enjoy just making myself up. And it's really cool because, there are times when I'm at my vanity, but there are also times when I'm here doing my hair or what have you. I want to get a final look standing. I want to see how I look. And I think that this is a really great thing to have that's going to just make it look better, make you see yourself better, because we all know that natural light and yellow bulbs are different, and the way that you put your makeup in a certain light, when you go out in natural light or you go out in the sunlight, your makeup looks completely different because you just did not have the right lighting. So I think that this is a great product, and it's really affordable, 18 bucks, and it's gonna last a long time. I really like the dimming feature. Again, you can make it dim, you can make it bright, and you can also just turn it off with a click. So really great product. I also wanted to show you one more thing that they gave me, and you will also get this product upon purchasing this product. Sorry for the not so great lighting, guys. Again, I'm not in my makeup room, so I don't have the best lighting. Just wanted to show you this product that they also include with your purchase, and it is just the cutest little thing, two-sided mirror. Unfortunately, mine had an accident. It fell to the ground, and I have ceramic tiling. So ceramic tiling, we all know that it hurts if you fall, so imagine glass. So unfortunately, yeah, half of it is broken, a good chunk fell off and it's cracked, but it doesn't come out. I tried to take it out so that I could just use one side, but it doesn't come out. So, and it hasn't come out. But anyway, this is the two-sided mirror that they give you. I love it so much. And the cool thing is that it has a light too. So you are able to look at yourself. And it's a pretty darn bright light. You kind of have to get used to it actually. But this is also a product that they will send for free with your product that you purchase. So I think that this is just the most darling thing ever. It just breaks my heart that I had a clumsy moment and half of it is cracked. So don't let what happened to me happen to you. So just wanted to show you really quickly this cool mirror and these cool lights that were sent to me. I really think that it's a great purchase. It's affordable and you don't have to worry about breaking anything. You don't have to worry about drilling or gluing or what have you. And most of all, breaking the bank. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in the next video and I will include the link below of this product if you're interested. So thank you guys. God bless you guys. See you soon. Adios.